What's up everyone, it's Sightless Stories Grace here, and today, just a quick note, there will be a lot of uploads because I'm making music for a game of a friend of mine's, but right now I'm doing a tutorial on blind cricket. Okay.
Speech on.
Now somebody on Dice World requested this because they don't know how to play the game. So I'm in my games folder.
Page 7 of Z. Audio Wizard. As blind cricket. Blind voiceover off.
Please turn the accessibility mode off.
Okay, it tells you to do that.
Use headphones for best sound experience.
I'm doing that.
Auckland University of Technology.
Yes, okay.
Sonar
Okay.
Interactive.
Jeez.
Welcome to the blind cricket game.
Thank you.
Main menu. Page 1 of 2. Continue. Settings. Continue. Start new game.
So to navigate the menu,
Tutorial.
you swipe up and down.
Achievements.
Because I
High
think this game
scores.
is landscape.
Support us. Page 2 of 2. Credits. More games. Close app.
And that means at the bottom.
More credit. Page. High score. Achievements. Tutorial. Start new game. Continue. Settings. Settings menu. Volume. Vibrations. Volume. Volume menu. Voice volume. 10. 10. Ambient volume. 0. 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 0, 0.
Now, this is for your games to get a crowd, but I don't really like that.
Sound effects volume. 10. 10. 10.
Okay.
Music volume. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The music in this game is quite good.
5, 8.
Just a bit
Set
loud.
6. 5.
I'll keep it there.
Location sound volume. 8. 9, 10, 10. Music sound voice. Return. Settings menu. Volume. Vibrations. Graphics. Font size. Instruction. Restore purchases. Instruction. Font graphic. Return. Main menu. Page 1 up. Settings. Start new game. Choose the type of game. Career. Versus. Practice. How do you want to hit the ball? Swiping. Welcome to the practice mode. Here, you can learn how to improve your batting skills.
Okay.
When the bowler asks if you are ready, press and hold your finger on the screen for 1 second to start. Are you ready?
I'm just going to show you this. To move the bat left, you swipe left. To move it right, you swipe right. Oh wait, maybe not. Wait, no, it's not. I'm being stupid, sorry. That's left, swipe up. That's right, swipe down. Right, I think, is backwards. And left is forwards. Okay.
Bring it on! That was a miss. You were
I
too
was
fast.
too slow.
When the bowler asks if you are ready, press and hold your finger
Yeah,
on the
I
screen
know.
for I'm ready. You swung forward. The ball was down the right.
Yeah.
When the Bring it on. You swung left.
It doesn't give
Yep.
you another. Wait, it doesn't give you. Wait, what the?
You swung right. The ball was down the middle.
It doesn't make any sense because it's supposed to be landscape.
6 runs.
Are you ready? This doesn't make sense. to me
Ready?
either.
You swung right.
The
The
I
okay.
hit the bat.
6 runs.
There.
Ready? Yep.
I need to hold it as soon as it's in the middle.
2 runs.
Yeah, I got it.
ready?
You need to head it
Yeah.
when it's closer to the middle. Listen.
You swung forward. The ball was down the left.
Yeah.
No, it was down there. Oh, I had my headphones a little
That
way.
was a miss. Ball passed on the right.
Shit.
When the bowler asks if you are ready,
Guys, I had
I'm ready.
my headphones on the wrong way.
you swung right.
Nah.
The ball was down.
Bring it on.
Not cool.
You swung left.
Okay.
The ball was down the right. When the bowler asks if you are ready, press and hold your finger on the screen for 1 second to start.
Okay, apparently.
Batter ready.
Up is right. Down is left. Forward is right. Backward is left. Okay, I got that. So this is how you play blind cricket. My navigation skills are terrible. I'm gonna...
Voiceover on. Blind Cricket. Direct touch area. Use the rotor to enable
Right.
direct touch for this app.
Cricket.
Screen curtain on.
exit out of here.